So today we're making a very, very simple dish. This is called Timatim Fitfit, an Ethiopian dish. So it's injera with tomatoes. Timatim means tomato. Very, very simple. It's a kind of dish that you'd make if you have an unexpected guest who pops around and you've got to feed them. This is done in absolutely no time. I'll try and explain a few things in my limited Amharic, which is the national language of Ethiopia. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so here I've got about 7 or 8 cups of injera, about 3 cups of tomato cut nice and small, 2 cups of water, salt, 1 cup of onion cut nice and small, olive oil and green chili. So in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, injera is injera, timatim, wuha, chao, shinkut, zait, karia. Okay, now because this is such a kind of quick throw together dish, you can adjust anything you want. So you're going to need a large mixing bowl. I'm going to put in my water. So you can put less water, more chili, less chili, you know what I mean? So 2 cups of water, olive oil, salt to taste. I'm putting in like a teaspoon, and the green chili. Now some people will put loads more chili in than that, loads more. Little mix, then we're going to start adding. So we're going to drop the tomato or timatim in. Cut nice and small. Cut it bigger if you want, actually. Like I say, anything goes really. Onion or shinkut. And then we're going to get the broken injera in the mix. So in goes the injera in different kind of sizes and stuff like that. Some really kind of small crumbs, some a bit bigger. Now injera, if you don't know, is made from teff, the smallest grain in the world apparently. It's more like a grass. It's 100% gluten free and yeah, really delicious. So we're just going to mix this up, and like I say, adjust it how you want. Bit more tomato, bit more injera, bit more water. Let's just mix it up there. You've done it. Job done. And there you go. Some people sometimes will squeeze a bit of lemon in there or lomi in there as well. I'm having it just like that. Really simple. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'm a Saganalo. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.